Hey, what's up guys, welcome a new video from Web-crafT, and in this tutorial I will be show you how to make a simple age calculator using by HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So first of all we need to create a folder that I also created, age calculator, and I open this folder with this Visual Studio Code, and I have my open live server. So remember, if you don't have this live server, you can easily install this plugin from here, and this is very simple and easy. Live live server. This is a live server that I also installed my VS Code. You can easily install from here, and I also open this direct live server for easy to view any update in my HTML file. So I want to create a content.con content. The content div I create an .ah content. The age content will be one more div, age box. The age box maintain the element of your final age calculation from 0. Then we can take a input that will be user input her year or age. Input placeholder enter you age or year. I take a ID for getting my value. Input box. Then we need one more button that will be check, and on click is a function that will be help when user click this button. That will be add a function my all of option. So age calculator, age calculator. So enough, my HTML structure already structured, and I want to design by CSS style sheet. I take this universal selector, curly bracket, then margin 0, padding also 0, box sizing border box, font family sans serif. Sorry, that will be font family sans serif. You can see that default margin and padding also remove and fix this in my command. Dot content, I want to give this max width, minimum max width pixel, and margin up and down 30 px, left and right auto. You can see background color, I want to give a custom color that I choose. Okay, that also. Dot content dot age content, max width 500 px, width 100%. Display flex direction column, align item center, justify content will be center. You can see this is also centered, and I want to fully center this age content box. very simple and easy. Display flex, align item center, and justify content is center. That also center it and looking good. Now dot h content dot ageh box, that will be width 150 px, height same thing, and border radius will be 50%. I want to recall, sorry, and that will be background color will be brown. So you can see this is also recall. And why this 0 is out of the box? No problem, display will be grid. Place items center center. You can see this text also centered and looking good. That font size will be 50 px and color will be white. Yes, we have some we need to some padding in this my 8h content box. Padding, sorry, my keyboard is some problem. Padding 20 px all side. Okay, okay, and h content needs some gap 30 px. Save. Also dot h content, then I take this input will be width 100%, padding 10 pixel, border will be none, outline will be none, and I want to try some adding box shadow. This is will be looking good. Box shadow 0 0 10 pixel 2 pixel RGBA 0,0,0,0,1. You can see this is also some box shadow added. Now I want to design this check button. This is very simple and easy. Dot h content button, I also selected this button, and padding will be 10 pixel by 45 pixel, border will be none, and font size will be 20 pixel, and CUR cursor will be pointer. That you can see this is button also structured and nice looking. So we can do some JavaScript method for interactive user interface. So when user try to give her age and click, that will be update her birthday or year in this age box. So you can see this script file also included in my also linked my in HTML file. If you don't do this, please do this functionality for JavaScript. So let input box equal to document dot get element by id input box. Okay, okay, let in h box equal to document dot query selector dot age box. that's okay. That's we need two item, input value and age box. This is the age box and this is the input value. When click, I also integrate a function age calculator that will be calculate this function. So I take this function from here, on click function age calculator, Control C, and I take a function age calculator. Very simple. So I try to easy understand. So friends, first of all we need this value, this input box. So if input box dot value, if input box dot value equal blind, when user click this button without give any parameter or any number, that will be a alert. Please provide your age or year. I want to take one more condition. When user first of all we check this work or not. So if I try to click this button without any value, this also work. Please provide your age or year. That means this code also executed. And else if is nan input box dot value, input box dot value alert, please provide only number. Now I try to execute this. If any user ABCD, that will be please provide, that will be alert, please provide only number. If user try to check this button without enter any value, that will be please provide your age or year. This perfectly working. Else in age box dot text equal to this age box, my age box element attribute, and this age box dot inner text equal to 2024 minus input box dot value. So finally we can try this. My age is 31 and I give this also 31 and check this saying my birthday 1993, and when I try to give my birthday 1993, that will be saying my age is 31. So guys, if you really like this video, please like this video, and if you new my channel, please subscribe my channel and share this video with friends. So thanks for watching.